They say trust is the foundation of every relationship. But nobody tells you this part. Trust can also be the reason your life breaks silently. We grow up believing that people around us want the best for us. Friends, family, colleagues, people who smile at us every day. But let me ask you something. Have you ever trusted someone blindly and later wished you hadn't? Have you ever shared your dreams with someone who secretly hoped you would fail? Have you ever been betrayed not by an enemy, but by someone close? If yes, this story is for you, because today I'm going to tell you the story of a boy who trusted everyone until trust cost him everything. Arjun was a simple boy, not too smart, not too loud, not too ambitious in other people's eyes. But inside his heart, he carried big dreams. He believed in people. He believed words. He believed promises. He believed that if your intentions were good, the world would protect you. Arjun grew up in a small town where everyone knew everyone. Doors were left unlocked. Secrets were shared freely. Trust was normal. His father used to say, "Son, the world may be hard, but people are good." And Arjun believed that. From childhood, Arjun wanted to build something of his own, not for money, not for fame, but for freedom. After finishing college, he started a small online business. It was slow at first, many failures, many sleepless nights. But Arjun never gave up. He shared his plans with friends. He discussed ideas openly. He trusted advice without questioning, because he believed if someone is smiling at me, they must want good for me. That belief was about to be tested. Rohit was Arjun's closest friend. They studied together, ate together, laughed together. Rohit knew everything about Arjun's life, his weaknesses, his fears, his dreams. When Arjun struggled, Rohit said, "Bro, I'm with you." When Arjun succeeded a little, Rohit said, "I'm proud of you." Arjun never doubted him. Why would he? Trust doesn't ask questions. One day, Arjun's business idea started working. Not big success, but progress. People noticed, and that's when the tone around him changed. Some friends became silent. Some jokes felt sharper. Some smiles felt forced. An older man from the neighborhood once told Arjun, "Be careful who you share your plans with." Arjun smiled and replied, "Uncle, they are my people." The man said nothing more. Sometimes warnings come quietly. Arjun shared everything with Rohit. Passwords to strategies, future plans. When Rohit suggested changes, Arjun agreed without thinking. When Rohit said, "Let me handle this part," Arjun happily stepped back. Trust made him comfortable. Comfort made him careless. One morning, Arjun woke up and saw something strange. His website was down. His accounts were locked. Emails unread. Panic, he called Rohit. No answer. He tried again. Still nothing. By evening, the truth hit him like a storm. The business was no longer his. Everything was transferred. Everything was taken by someone who knew every detail, by someone he trusted. When Arjun finally met Rohit, there was no anger on Rohit's face, only calm. Rohit said, "Business is business, bro. Don't take it personally." Arjun couldn't speak. The person he trusted the most had prepared quietly, while smiling daily. Trust didn't break loudly. It broke silently. Arjun lost more than money. He lost confidence. He lost belief. He lost himself. Days passed. Nights became heavier. He questioned everything. Was I foolish? Was I naive? Is trust a mistake? The world felt colder, but pain teaches lessons comfort never can. Arjun didn't quit life. He quit blind trust. He started again, this time quietly, this time carefully. He learned to listen more and speak less. He learned to verify before believing. He learned that not everyone deserves access to your life. Trust became earned, not given. Slowly, he rebuilt. Stronger, smarter, wiser. One evening, Arjun wrote in his diary, "Everyone you meet is fighting their own battle. Some will walk with you. Some will use you. Learn the difference." Trust didn't disappear from his life. It matured. Moral of the story: don't trust everyone. Not everyone who smiles is happy for you. Not everyone who listens wants you to succeed. Not everyone close is loyal. Trust is powerful, but blind trust is dangerous. Protect your dreams. Protect your plans. Protect your peace. If this story made you think, if it reminded you of someone, if it helped you see life a little clearer, then this story did its job. If you enjoy real-life inspired stories, deep lessons, and powerful storytelling, subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it with someone who needs this lesson, because sometimes one story can save someone from a lifetime of regret. Don't trust everyone. Trust wisely.